This season on No Filter by Indigo, we explored 9 stunning locations across India. After showcasing their incredible work to the legends, Imtiaz Ali and Raghurai, our top 3 finalists have emerged.
Today is the D-Day, the climax of the film, the grand finale of this season. And we have 3 outstanding finalists. There is Bhavika, who's very, I think, energetic.
Bhavi, very bhavuk.
This is the famous Tikki wala. Me and my mom used to come when I was a little child.
You know, you can see it on her face. There's enthusiasm. There's a lot of enthusiasm and willingness to learn. And Mahendra, on the other side, is more staid and he's observing everything, and he seems to be a mind where all the doors are open.
I'm using 1.4 lenses to cope with the minimum light conditions.
And again, Bhumi has a certain energy with which she's looking at her surroundings, which is very infectious.
I clicked some few pictures, portraits and some moments.
I think they are very beautiful people.
So we are planning to push them to their limits. In fact, beyond their limits.
That's right. This is the grand finale, No Filter by Indigo, Season 2. Welcome back.
Please walk in and take your seats.
Hi.
Very smiley, happy people you look. Ki ho gaya? What happened?
Very happy after meeting you both. We learned very much. How to judge the pictures I learned from sir. What are the drawbacks of the pictures and what are the pros of the pictures?
Anything specific you learned, Bhavika?
I think both of you gave us a very specific tip that your photo should speak for itself, and that applied to all 3 of us. So I think I'm going to keep that in mind from now on, of course.
इवन आप एक पिक्चर को एक डिफरेंट तरीके से कैसे देख सकते हैं वो भी सिखा.
So, in the previous challenge, you had 3 days for 3 pictures in familiar grounds where you knew everything. This time we are going to throw you in an absolutely unfamiliar territory. This time it's going to be not the same at all. You will be shortchanged on time in an unfamiliar territory.
Okay.
All right? And this time we are going to expose you to heroes in uniform.
Daily non-stop. That is the driving force in the lives of first responders. Be it police officers who work tirelessly to protect, serve, and create a sense of safety for all, firefighters who face every danger to save lives, airline crew who train day and night, ready for every situation to ensure the safety of each and every passenger thousands of feet up in the air. These first responders put everything on hold to ensure the lives around them are protected.
So you have to capture firefighters in their space.
For 3 images, you have 3 points to remember. 1 picture of your choice to begin with. Second has to have slow shutter speed so that it shows their action, their mobility, that they are always on the move. Having done these 2 things, you would have observed which one of these firefighters have very interesting, powerful face. Then you can make a portrait.
So you will be shipped to 3 different locations. And you have to come up with the pictures that Raghu sir told you about.
Even I'd love to photograph it. Wow.
Yeah, a lot of action.
Thank God he's not. So one of you can win. But you've got to really put on your A game and come up with the best that you can.
Definitely.
Okay? Welcome to the grand finale.
Thank you so
All
much.
the best.
Thank you.
And off you go.
Thank you.
Cheers. Wow. क्या बात.
Our three finalists venture out to shoot the thorough mock drills conducted by firefighters as part of their training.
थ्रिल लग रहा है कि ग्रैंड फिनाले में आप पहुंच गया हूं मैं. बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला है. रघुराय सर से बात किया और बहुत कुछ सीखा उनसे. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी रही है अभी तक स्टोरी. अभी देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है.
I am excited and overwhelmed to get into the finale. मैंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि मैं यहाँ इस लेवल पे आ जाऊँगी. आज आई थिंक वेदर आज भी मुझे टेस्ट करेगा. फेज 3 फायर स्टेशन में आई हूँ. मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि मुझे थोड़ी ड्रामेटिक पिक्चर मिले.
While rainy clouds loom over Bhumi, Bhavika begins her task in the pouring rain.
Okay, so we just arrived at this location and it's been raining very heavily. I'm drenched. Raghurai sir actually helped. That if he had to choose between sunlight and rain, he would choose rain. So I got the opportunity the very next day. So well, let's see. Okay, so my camera is messing up a bit क्योंकि obviously जब आप कैमरा के सेंसर पे फॉग आ जाता है तो देयर इज एन एक्सेसिबिलिटी इशू प्लस दिस एक्सेसिबिलिटी इशू सो इट्स फन या.
Meanwhile, the Delhi Fire Services welcome Mahindra with a turnout drill.
तो मुझे ना एक मोशन का पिक्चर चाहिए था. तो वो लाइट्स वगैरह पूरे लगे और सब लोग भागते हुए मेरी तरफ आ रहे हैं. ऐसे जब फायर होता है तो इमरजेंसी में कैसा होता है उसका एक पिक्चर लेना चाहता था मैं.
आई हैव मिक्स फीलिंग राइट नाउ. बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत कुछ कैप्चर करना है. थोड़ा कंफ्यूज भी हो, थोड़ा समझ में भी आ रहा है, थोड़ा नहीं भी आ रहा है. मैं जो भी मिल रहा है अभी वो कैप्चर कर रही हूँ. ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेम निकालूँ यहाँ से.
The rains are too dangerous for Bhavika to go on the Bronto, but she perseveres through the storm.
मैं भाविका को देख रहा हूँ कि वो अलग अलग एंगल से फोटो शूट कर रही है इतनी हैवी रेन के अंदर भी. और उसे बिल्कुल भी चिंता नहीं है कि वो भीग रही है. बारिश ऊपर है और मतलब पूरी भीग गई है.
लेंस इज ऑल हेजी, वो भी ग्लास के अंदर से. सो या आप और कुछ नहीं कर सकते. फोन इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर नाउ. सो या व्हाई मिस दिस शॉट.
But Bhavika is not the only contestant having to adjust to the rain.
I was trying to click a picture of the fire. The fireman actually on drill to save a civilian from the top. लेकिन बारिश आ गया. अभी the time is ticking very fast.
तो हम ऊपर गए थे. मुझे थोड़े स्काई और बिल्डिंग के साथ शॉट मैंने सोचे थे कि लूँगी, बट बारिश होने लगी. कैमरा थोड़ा भीग गया है तो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ, बट या.
With the clock ticking, Bhumi does not waste any time and moves on to the smoke chamber.
अभी हम सिमुलेशन रूम में जा रहे हैं. फायर फाइटर्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है कि जब आग लगती है और लोगों को रेस्क्यू करना होता है, आप कैसे ऑब्स्टेकल क्रॉस करके उनको रेस्क्यू कर सकते हो.
I am trying to get an entry shot when the firefighters come in to rescue the victim. So I have to get a good silhouette here, but the smoke is too much. I can't really see anything.
While Bhumi and Bhavika go through the smoke chamber, Mahindra tries to capture his slow shutter action shot.
ऐसे एक्शन में रश आवर जैसा होता है. जब फायर लगता है तो कैसे रश करके बाहर आते हैं वो लिया है हमने. वो बहुत अच्छा आया है. लेकिन थोड़ा फॉग मशीन चाहिए था. फॉग क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा है.
But for Bhumi and Bhavika, the race is on as they progress to their last chance to capture the perfect shot.
this is a pit and this is filled with diesel and petrol. Yeah, so they're gonna add water to the pit after they've put on the fire. So that's just, I guess, 1 second, maybe less than a second shot that I can get. So if I get lucky, I get lucky. Otherwise,
पहली बार देखा है मैंने लाइफ में ऐसा, कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि इस तरह से ये लोग रेस्क्यू करते होंगे।
तो बुझाने जब वो फोम आता है तो मैं फोम के नीचे जाके वो शॉट ले लिया। मेरा जो फेवरेट शॉट था वो एकदम बूंदे मेरी सारी आंख पे आ गई, बहुत मज़ा आया।
so the foam is also acting as a good foreground and a background right now as well, and I'm pretty much having fun playing here.
3 फोटोज चूज करनी है इतनी सारी एक्टिविटी में से, सो लेट्स सी।
Bhumi and Bhavika have already crossed the finish line, leaving Mahindra with the final fire. With only a few minutes left, he must capture his final shot.
अभी I am just trying to take a last shot of beautiful with the gas machine. Yeah.
बहुत कुछ हो रहा था, मैं बहुत कुछ करना चाहती थी, बहुत कुछ किया मैंने। नाउ ग्रैंड फिनाले इज नॉट अबाउट माय एक्सपेक्टेशन, इट्स ऑल अबाउट एक्सपीरियंस।
Welcome back, Bhavika, Mahindra, Bhumi. Come right in.
Thank you.
और बताइए, how was it?
इट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट, समथिंग वेरी यूनिक।
ऐसी क्या बात थी?
मतलब अभी तक सिर्फ रोड पे या बाहर से ही देखा है, पहली बार अंदर जाके जो प्रोसेस है वो देखा।
This is it. Yeah.
कि कैसे लोग काम करते हैं, कितनी एनर्जी होती है सब में।
How was it for you, Bhavika?
It was challenging, I have to say this. I'm so sorry, but it was.
What was the challenge?
But the challenges I faced were that my camera went all hazed up. The lens went hazed up because of the rain. I just tried managing to, take some pictures on my phone then and, shift between both of these devices.
नहीं, लेकिन एक मिनट, जब मानसून आती है, जब काले बादल आते हैं, जब बरसातें होती हैं, this is what the nature has designed for you for just now. Wow, what a possibility that has come from above.
Mahindra, what was difficult for you?
डिफिकल्ट इन द सेंस फर्स्ट टाइम क्या हुआ, और मैं जाते ही बारिश चालू हो गई। आई थॉट अदर वे, बारिश होगी, अच्छा हो गया, मुझे रिफ्लेक्शंस मिलेंगे, वो जो मोशन आएगा उसमें रिफ्लेक्शंस आएंगे, देन आई वाज नॉट पॉजिटिव। और 10-15 मिनट के बाद बारिश थम गई एकदम। इधर वेदर भी मुझे थोड़ा अंडर लाइट चाहिए था, क्लाउडी हो गया, लाइट भी अंडर आ गया और पिक्चर बहुत अच्छे हो गया। आई रियली,
That's wonderful. Yeah, you look very happy. All three of you look happy. Huh? That's a very good thing, sir. Now let's see your pictures. Let's see Bhumi's pictures.
Well, it has some sense of design in uniform.
सो आई थॉट दे आर अनसंग हीरोज। हम सब उनको सिर्फ यूनिफॉर्म से ही जानते हैं, कोई भी प्रोफेशन हो, या डॉक्टर हो, या फायर फाइटर्स हो, या एयर होस्टेस हो। तो द कंपोजिशन आई लाइक इट वेरी मच। और मैंने वहाँ जाके पहले इंटरेक्ट किया कि आपके प्रोफेशन में क्या चीज़ है जो आपको फायर फाइटर्स बनाती है, मतलब। तो उन्होंने बोला कि हमारे 3 चीज़ें हैं, एक तो हमारा ऑब्वियसली यूनिफॉर्म, दूसरा हमारा हेलमेट, तीसरा एक्स। तो मैंने वो तीनों एलिमेंट लेने का ट्राई किया।
The next picture. This is when the drill is going on. And जो आप फोम की बात कह रहे थे वो यहाँ दिखती है. That's very nice. What would you say?
उनके मतलब जो ताकत वो लगाते हैं, सो वो मैंने लेने का ट्राई किया है कि सब इतने एनर्जी में थे, तो मतलब हमको उनके एनर्जी के साथ मैच करना था।
Yes, very good. And the next?
And this is your portrait,
Yes. I tried to capture the fearlessness in his eyes.
Nice.
Very good, yes.
Very good.
Can we see them together?
Them together, please. Bhumi's work. Bhumi from Ahmedabad. Are you happy with your output?
I've tried my best.
Okay.
I can't say.
Fair enough. Very good.
Fair enough. That's nice. Very good. Should we move on, sir?
The next.
The next. Mahendra's first picture.
So what will you call it? Action picture or portrait picture?
Slow shutter speed wala picture I would like to call. And I used the lights of the headlights of the the truck to brighten the faces and all. Yes.
Very clever. Next one, please. This is a portrait?
Yes, portrait.
Good.
हाँ,
Yes.
वो
I know.
निकल रहे थे उधर से रूम से बाहर आते आते ऐसे परफेक्ट लाइट में मिल गया उनका.
Interesting faces. Very
Yes,
interesting
yes.
faces.
बहुत amazing faces.
Very interesting.
And handsome looking guys.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
good
very
looking
handsome.
guys, yeah.
क्या बात है. And the next.
ये
Yeah.
मैंने
What is the lens you were using for this?
for this I used the 1635 2.8.
1635.
For to capture the wide and the feel, the
It's a
smoke.
bit too wide, but
Yeah.
still okay.
Yeah, I wanted
Yeah.
the smoke and this.
Yes.
Can we see the three pictures together now? Right, sir? We move on to you now, Bhavika, from Karnal.
Okay, so in this frame, obviously we know firefighters as brave heroes, but as you can see in the background, they had a different personality as well. So like when they were, blowing away the foam here, so just you can see in the background, the fireman is playing with the foam as well. So I just want to say the playful side of these men as well, which is obviously unknown to most people because we see them as very strong and endearing people. So I wanted to showcase that in this.
Very nice.
Let's see the next one.
Next one.
This is the slow shutter picture we were asked to click. I obviously wanted to show the action here because the fireman is just
ये
pulling.
तो ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे विंटर में आग सेकते हैं.
It was kind of this thing, drill में ऐसे ही होता है sir. But so if you see at the background also these
नहीं
two.
देखो, you see, to make a mystery of a situation by choosing the right kind of angle, space and moment, you can make it look very different. चलिए the
Okay,
next.
the next.
This is the portrait I captured. So all of these men were just standing there, and I got some diagonal lines across the road also,
frame,
some yellow
yeah.
and blacks, and obviously the contrast from
Yeah,
the truck and
good. That's
the
a
road
sensible thing. Very smart.
complemented it very
Yeah.
well.
Can we see the three pictures together? Here is the collage.
जाओ फिर से शूट करके आओ. We can't decide.
इनके बारे में थोड़ा गुफ्तगू करते हैं.
गुफ्तगू.
Let's discuss their work a
ठीक है.
little bit in their
आप
absence
जाइए.
and then we bring them.
थोड़ी देर में मिलती हूँ.
Give us some time
We'll see
to
you in a
sort
while.
this out.
Yes.
Okay?
Shukriya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
All the best.
किसको?
आप बोलिए. I think हमारे ख्यालात मिलते जुलते हैं.
So we guys are really excited, and we will just rush back to the studio and finally hear what happened.
So should we tell them? We seem to have made up our minds. Let's get the contestants in and we will tell them who's won.
Walk in.
Come in, please.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Thank
Welcome back. Welcome back. We went through your pictures again and again. It was not so easy for us. And the
Because
difficulty.
all of you are almost there, almost there, almost there.
Can we see the collage of Mahendra, please? Mahendra, would you like to tell us something about your experience at work while clicking these pictures?
experience was that the action that the people did, that motivated me a lot to shoot. But I'm not very good in talking. Let the pictures decide what is the best, I think.
Bhavika's pictures?
The experience in itself was so beautiful and adventurous at the same time, I guess.
You need cropping in all the 3 pictures to make it a little more mysterious and magical.
Sure. That's duly noted.
Okay, Bhumi's collage, please.
Sir, I would like to ask about the bottom one. मैंने कुछ नया सोचा, कुछ
Dekho, to begin with, it does. But this fireman standing very straight with almost no expression. Body, one is the face that emotes, the second is the body language. हर चीज का ध्यान.
It's a very good, interesting point. So these are the 3 contestants: Raghuvji, Bhumi, Mahendra, Bhavika. It is intersecting
I'll
in the
see where
middle.
my hand stops.
Oh, wherever it stops, huh? Okay.
You man!
The winner is Mahendra from Solapur. Both of us is the winner. Well done. Congratulations again, Bhumi. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes to you. This season once again celebrated the incredible diversity of India by Indigo. We visited the vibrant hometowns of our contestants and we heard stories like we'd never heard before. We've also expanded the community of No Filter by Indigo.
And let me tell you, this is just the beginning.
And all you have to do is keep clicking and keep engaging with the world around you. But for now, this is us signing off. And we'll be back soon.
Thank you for watching No
No
Filter
Filter
by Indigo
Indigo
Season 2.